Where you're from, just your current, whereabouts, just a little bit of that.
Well, I live in a small town, born about 8 miles down the road. Small town in southern Oregon nobody's ever heard of, called Medford. Typical country living, but that's got good things and bad things that go along with it. For instance, we don't have an Apple store around here. The closest Apple store is 270 miles to the north in Portland. So if you've got a Mac or an iPhone or something like that and it breaks down, you're driving to get it fixed. So.
Do you have an Apple?
Nope. And that's why.
Carl Jacobson's out in the chat. He said he actually grew up there.
Yeah. Carl is
from your neck of the woods.
Yeah, Carl is from down here as well, and he's up closer to Portland now. But you're welcome back, Carl.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Socomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared HIldabrant, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Sof, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Brett McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TN, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.